hate that. I accidentally stopped the footage. This is Paranormal Short Session 5 by Keith Evans at the Digital Alarm Clock. I guess this is going to be part B since I accidentally turned the video camera off. That wasn't paranormal, that was me. Alright. Now we got pointing this way. It looks like it's easier to get it on camera. 34.7 degrees. No, 37.2 milligauss. 36, 38, 29.8 milligauss, 33.8, 33.9 milligauss. Anyway, it's much easier to see this way. The other way, it was somehow was not catching the camera. It looked like I had a bunch of zeros. Alright, I'm going to continue on with the thermal imager. So you can see what the at the center of the alarm clock, which is right there. Center is where the crosshairs are. And the yellow area in the center, well, it shouldn't be that hard to get it on the center. There we go. The yellow area is about, what, 86, 88.4, 88.3. The yellow area is turning kind of orange now. Uh, 88.3, 88.2. 87. The orange is about 87, 86.9, 87. Purple area is about 82.5, 81, 82, 79, 81. That range between 79 and 80 some. It's like a fluctuation there. Alright. So it's about the same temperature it was before, not too hot, not much of a difference. So I try to keep it in the yellow area. It's about 88. No, it timed out on me. The yellow area is about 88.4, 88.5, maybe 87.9. Alright, I think enough of that. Hasn't really changed much. That was the FLIR TG165 thermal imager, and this is the Ovilus 5B. I'm going to ask the ghosts and spirits, choose one person from this digital alarm clock, whether it's a condominium or a type of paranormal ghost and spirit nightclub, chose one person to have one conversation with me. I'll ask one question, and then you can ask me a question. My question to you is, how are the ghosts and spirits using this digital alarm clock?
Cousin. Excel.
Are you my cousin?
Ocean.
Are you
Direction.
excelling ocean direction? Ocean is south of here. I get ocean a lot. The ocean is rough tonight, but I think it's windy out. Looks like it might rain. What do you need directions for? Where are you going? Like I say, the ocean is south of here. If you're my cousin, what is your name?
Ring. Roseline.
Ring, Roseline. I get Roseline a lot.
Character. Tilde.
And it's saying a video size.
View. Curse.
View curse. Yeah, I didn't delete some of my other videos